The print shop, the logo distributions, the marketing that's offered, it's just very convenient. Lil Bubba just offers everything that one would need to jumpstart a business.
My name is Joshua Pugh. I'm from Kentucky, and right now I do not have a job because I'm still in undergrad. So,
My name is Andrew Hamilton. I'm from Eastern Kentucky, and I just finished my bachelor's degree, and I'm getting ready to start my master's degree.
My name is Jaden Pugh. I work for my father's construction company. I'm from southeastern Kentucky as well.
My name's Keith Woods. I'm from Richmond, Indiana. I came down here to learn the curbing business.
it was pretty awesome. I liked working with Carl. He was really nice, and he was funny, and he was really helpful. He was a really good teacher. I didn't know very much about mixing or anything like that before I came in. Now I'm pretty confident that I can do it myself. So, and then getting on the job experience yesterday that's more knowledgeable and helpful than anything else.
For me, I really enjoyed being here and having that hands-on experience versus being in a classroom with, I don't know, say 20 people, and you never get a chance to get your hands on the equipment and actually use it. So it's just an absolute game changer for me, and I feel so confident.
The equipment's good, the training is good, the product sells itself.
I think the Moroccan is more appealing. It's an easier process. It trims down on the hours you spend on your curbing. I think that's the seller. I really think that that's what most people go to because it's just more appealing than the stand. The whole process here it's very impressive. What Gordon has been able to do with the way that you all manufacture everything, it's so convenient for you to work with each department, whereas you'd have to wait for manufacturing in some other places where you have to ship it and wait for it to come back. You have everything here, and you can communicate with one another well.
The staff was very, very nice, very, very helpful. Everyone I talked to always had a smile on their face, and any question I had, they always had an answer, and if not, they did their best to try and answer it for me. So.
Thank you very much. I appreciate everybody's time, the diligence they put in training me, and also the support. Everyone's been really good about, hey, here's my number. If you come under a question, FaceTime me, show me what it is, and I'll try to help you. It's cool. That's very reassuring.